1971 or 72. I'm not 100%. I gotta look at the paperwork. It's either 71 or 72, but this is the part 2 video of the transom rebuilding the whole thing. Did the stringers, did the transom, 2 pieces of 3/4. Came out all right. Get this straight out the way. It's pretty good. I don't know if we can zoom in on that or not. Came out all right. So I gotta drill out my drain plug. I'm gonna go with let's see what we got. If you can see that. 1.5 inches, I believe. Huh? What you doing, boy? You can do it. Go ahead. Still needs a couple more pieces of fiberglass, but came out pretty good. That's all. That's not a gap. That's fiberglass. I laid a piece, fiberglass both sides, then laid the first piece, then did the second piece, laid a piece on the inside, a piece on the outside, laid a piece here, laid a piece on this piece, squished them together. Same thing with this one. Laid a piece on here and laid a piece on that, squished them together. So that's what you're seeing. It's 2 pieces of biax squished together. But yeah, I'm gonna do the drain plug. It's got like a 3/4 or something. I'm gonna go up to I think it's like a 2-inch. 2 inch, is it? What is it? 1.5 inches. But I got this pressure plug. Goes in there.
Daddy,
huh?
give me color and now.
We don't have no color. What do you want? You working on the boat, son? Huh? What you doing, man? That's resin. Don't touch it. It's dried up already. It ain't gonna hurt you, but don't touch it. Go play with your project.
The project?
Yeah. Say okay. Huh? No, you're not messing with my drill, boy. Okay, that's it. But yeah, I still gotta do a couple more layers on the inside. I just tacked it together with some angel hair on the corners and the seams. Went ahead and cavicilled the seams and the gaps, cavicilled all the gaps. It is 28 inches tall, so I might have to cut it down in the middle a little bit, do it like a V-style cutout, not all the way across. But originally it was this really small transom originally, and you could see this is where it originally came up to, right here. So I extended it. This looks like shit. I still gotta grind down and do all this shit, glass all this shit. But I don't have a measuring tape. Yeah, I do. Let's see what we got. .20.5 original, and I made it to this is fucking impossible. 28.25. I'll have to knock it down to 25. But yeah, still a long way to go, but it's a project boat. Everything's gonna be new by the time I get done with it. I'm gonna do a deck up front, build me a center console, finish up this transom and start laying the floor.